Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YRIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very impressive move. I mean, when you consider that at one point of the day, the price was down around that area, and then it ultimately closed right there. Yeah, I get it. It did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it ultimately closed, definitely a good, solid move. But that also leads to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at 80 cents. Why is 80 cents important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 80 cents. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse said, if the price breaks to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of where the chart just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Whereas let's say the price did pull back some. However, when it got there in this situation, behaved like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down around there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, that progress point, again, I am defining as 80 cents. Good thing tomorrow's Friday, huh? Now, what about levels of resistance going into Friday? Initial area to keep an eye on, going to be right up here. I'm not sure if that hit it today, or it did perfectly, right there at the dollar mark. So if you go back through the history of things, you can see that the dollar mark knocked down the price several times there, and then that's right where the price was rejected from today. So dollar, definitely public enemy number one going into Friday. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.